What is going on, guys? Josh Deakins here. We are back at the marina working on trip 2 to the camp this season. We blew our motor last time we were out here. We got out there and the whole motor kind of seized up. We took it into the shop. They checked it out. They told us we bent the crank in the motor, so that motor went kaput. So we are back at the marina. We got a couple more people with us. We got my brother, I got my nephew, got my uncle, and my dad's with us, and we're taking my uncle's center console boat. Got a lot deeper sides on it. You can actually put more stuff in it. We got wood we're gonna bring over. We got a bunch of gear we're gonna bring over. And we're gonna start hauling out all that trash and garbage that we piled in the middle of the camp last time we were up here. So despite the blown motor, we're gonna get back out there and get at it and get it all done and get things rocking and rolling. That was a lot faster than last time.
I haven't seen it.
Yeah, it is. Nice when you got a motor on the back of the boat.
I see some of their stuff surfacing or something.
Well, we're here. Hopefully she starts again. We did find a nice Dutch oven.
Yeah, there you go. I've been bragging to everybody about that Dutch oven.
Cleaned up all the crap out of there that didn't belong.
Well, yeah, that's a nice little hatchet there, isn't it?
Yeah, we just kept what was...
Nice bellows and everything you need. What's this? Like a stick
log
collector?
holder. Yeah,
Log
you can go
holder,
get logs
brush.
and bring 'em in.
Oh, you've got like your little
I kept all them.
Josh, you're the first mate. You're not behind. First mate? What happened to the last mate? Hey!
Mosquitoes do like that spot back there.
Good to go.
Winnie Lake, because it doesn't.
I have not.
I'm gonna.
We did go up that way.
Yeah, I have no idea. Did it drop off by the rock, or is it really shallow? Or?
Normally in these great glacier lakes, it drops off by rocks.
Well, it'd be nice if that kind of came out into the water a little.
Yeah,
so
that's what.
if the kids ever did want to come over here, they could like jump off of that.
Yeah.
It wouldn't be hard to swim up to it. Want to do a roundabout? Right now, it looks like it goes straight down. Oh, wait. I see a rock pile right there. See that?
Yeah.
Ooh, look, a sunfish.
Yeah, so that comes out right there. That's nice. Look at that.
That's pretty cool. Be a good place to stick a little duck line.
Yeah, no crap. Disappear, man. Wow. Did you see all those fish? I guarantee those are probably. See that whole thing just... Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
There's a whole bunch of
there's
there.
a bunch right here.
I would think so. I could be wrong, but that's normally how you see
That's
them.
how
Look
they
at
do
the
it.
schools over there. Yeah. That's,
Yeah.
Look at them. You can
That
see
looks.
them on top of
Yeah.
Tons of crappie up in there. Well, we trolled, Jameson trolled here with a little crankbait like this at like 2 miles an hour and he caught a crappie.
Yeah.
No.
half of it, about. Make those fly.
Can you hit that switch right there?
Just throw it down here. We're getting rid of this rug anyways, right? Here. Samuel! You want to get up in the attic? Get your shoes on? You're small. You want to crawl on a space?
Yeah.
You got rid of them?
I didn't know if they're any good or not. Hold them out if you want.
You probably want to keep this.
It's hot up here. In? Yeah, it's really hot up here.
Hey, ice fishing stuff, huh?
Yeah,
Cool deal.
I didn't want to throw this one. I mean, it's just kind
Derek's
of.
right here. It's good time to throw it.
Assist. There we go. Perfect. And oh, this is cool. This thing's got legs.
Cool. Got it. That's cool, man.
Yeah, it is. Tip up.
So it seems like all of his nice stuff was in his attic. That's kind of
Yeah.
opposite from this.
Coleman slow cooker. No. Yeah, it was kind of weird. I don't know. I've never seen one of those.
Pringles can, an old Pringles can.
That is a really old Pringles can. What year is this thing from? I hope it's got a year on it.
This is Coleman, too.
I hope it's not out of date.
Hey, Jameson, Sammy found the oldest Pringle can I've ever seen. Yeah.
Pogs?
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 Man, you found Pogs in a Pringles can like that.
Those are just those things out of like electrical boxes, right?
Yeah. Something.
If they were full of Pogs, it'd sell them.
Dude, they'd be like the best Pogs ever if they came from that era.
Yeah.
So we're safe.
Drown the water on an island.
Samuel, Derek is like this all the time to take him out places.
You hand me the big pot, they'll be excited about that. Here. Look at this.
Oh, we've been looking for one of them. Gotcha.
That's the real deal, man.
Ooh, that's heavy too. Here you go.
A lampshade.
Grab that old mattress. Get that.
Those are what? Those are probably cushions for an outdoor bench, right?
Probably.
Already.
Yeah.
Tip ups. I say keep tip ups.
Let's keep the tip ups.
Keep the tip up, keep it up. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but here it is.
We got a wire wheel.
Here, Dad. Half-mile wire?
I have no idea what's in this.
Anything in that cooler?
Wired.
Yeah.
Bigger than this. Let's do it.
Check that out.
Any junkie, now's the time, because if it doesn't come out now, it's never going to come out.
Oh, he's got some.
Alrighty, that's everything. That looks clean.
There's a chair up here. No, none.
Okay.
Very little.
Also those cool old chairs. Boy, this chair's hot.
Oh, there's another one on this side.
Oh, I almost hit Derek in the head.
Between
Is that
this and
everything,
that
Josh?
metal.
That's it.
Okay. Hang on, we're coming. Here, these can go around a boat like this. Yeah.
This is the hard part, getting back out.
Okay.
This is trash here. That. What about that? This thing of wire.
What is it? We figure out what kind of wire it was?
I can't believe I found that shed on my property. You probably put them right in the shed, Jameson. Put them. Okay.
He says he shot these back here. That's what he says?
Yeah.
What is it?
That's a rumor on the street.
Boy, I'd shoot that.
And you know what? It wouldn't surprise me because I know some guys up here that shot some pretty big bucks.
That's a solid deer. Oh, thanks for the help, Josh. Whoa.
Yeah, when you get close to the stairs, just give it a pause. Come on, Josh.
Hey, do you think that cooler's gonna make it all the way back?
Depends on how fast we go.
I can't even see my motor. I don't even know how high up it is.
I can take a nap. Look at this, I got like a little...
Yeah, I hope we don't lose our couch off the back. Bloop. If we do, drop a quick waypoint. Yep.
Can you drink one of these?
All right, well, let's get some buckets.
We're gonna put that fire out.
Yeah, at least get it around it, give it a couple good doses of buckets. Is that gonna ride there?
It's gonna take us an hour to unload this thing.
Yes, it is. Without this pump, the cooler on the lid of the cooler came off while we were driving down there.
Did it?
Yeah.
Day 2 on the site, I guess you'd call it, for the camp, and we did 3 boat loads. People ask how much can you fit in this trailer. I bet you could fit 4 boat loads in that trailer if you really worked hard at it. We got 3 in there, got a lot off there, cleaned out the house, pulled the rugs, burnt some stuff and everything cleaned up. But now's the fun part that people don't normally get to see is the dumpstering. We got the dumpster dropped here, and it's been a couple days since we were up at the camp getting everything off there, and we're gonna get it all loaded and thrown away. That's all part of the fun. We'll see you next time.